Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to map dynamic custom objects and fields between Salesforce and QuickBooks for seamless data synchronization. First, log into Salesforce and navigate to Setup. From Setup, open Object Manager and click Create. Then select Custom Object. Enter the required details such as label, plural label, and object name. Once the details are entered, click Save to create the custom object. Next, open the custom object you just created and click Next. Go to Fields and Relationships and click New. Select the desired field type, such as text, number, date, or pick list. Configure the field details and click Save. Repeat this process to create all the custom fields that need to be synchronized with QuickBooks. Once the custom object and fields are ready, navigate to the QuickBooks integration application. Open the Setup page and then go to the Object and Field Mapping section. Before creating the mapping, select the synchronization direction. Based on how you want your data to be synced, then click Add to create a new object mapping. From the Salesforce Object dropdown, select the custom Salesforce object. From the QuickBooks Object dropdown, select the corresponding QuickBooks object. Next, click the Add Field Mapping icon. Select the Salesforce field, and then choose the matching QuickBooks field. Continue adding field mappings for all the fields that need to be synchronized. Once all mappings are configured, click Save All. Now, navigate to the QB Customer Custom Object. Click New to create a customer record. Enter the required customer details and click Save. Next, open the newly created QB customer record. Click the button to send the customer data to QuickBooks. Wait for the synchronization process to complete successfully. Once the sync is complete, log in to QuickBooks Online. Navigate to the Customers section. Search for the customer record that was synced from Salesforce. Verify that the customer has been created successfully in QuickBooks with the mapped field values. And that's how you can create custom Salesforce objects and fields, map them with QuickBooks objects and fields, and seamlessly synchronize customer records between them. Thanks for watching.